Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We are at the Holiday Inn Express in York, Pennsylvania. And yeah, I got a room with one king bed. And yeah, this is a old school Holiday Inn Express. You'll see what I mean. Alright. I just checked in here too, so your guys are getting the same impression. So, alright. Here's our fire map. How old this sign looks, but Pennsylvania state law and regulations for the hotels. Check out at 11 a.m. Security, alright. So, things will lose, but it'll do. Well, no, this whole thing's loose right here. That could be tightened down a little bit. We got our deadbolt. Alright, let's go to the bathroom. Got a small bathroom here, but yeah, got our vanity. Near us up. That looks new. Where's all the towels? Okay, all the towels were down there. Here's our toilet. Yeah. Here's our tub and shower combo. You can see where I made old Holiday Inn. Backsplash. But old but in good shape. Tub looks clean. There's all our shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. That's our bathroom. Little closet area. There's a blow dryer, iron board. Alright. Here's our king bed. Here's our nightstand and our lamp. So right off the bat, we got a little stain right here on the comforter. I'll get my clothes off here real quick. So I got a little stain on the comforter. Let's see. Dissect this a little. Dissect the bed a little here. So we got going on. Maybe the comforter might just be stained if that's the case. Fine with me. Oh, these are nice big pillows for your king bed. This looks good. Yeah, just for that little store inspection anyway. Yeah, it looks fine. The bed looks fine other than that comforter, which we're not gonna be laying on top of, so that's fine. Outlets on lamps. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Don't focus. There we go. Got a lamp. We got a chair, which looks to be in good shape. Here's our desk. Right here. Mirror. What's up? We got a Keurig, some coffee. Right there. That's the only maintenance issue I really see in the room. A little cobweb there. A little peeling. Kind of smells a little musty in here. But what can you do? We got our Frigidaire P-Tac. Looks pretty new. Looks like a newer one. Got our controls right there. Got an thermostat in this room. That's fine. Things blowing nice and cold. So no complaints. Our ice bucket and tray. And yeah. I paid $54 after tax for this room with the employee rate. And normally been over $100, I think, if anybody came off the street and paid. So I'll take another look at the room. But for $54 for what I paid, this is not bad. Everything's not too bad shape for an old school Holiday Inn Express. And one more thing to note, they do have the breakfast, but it's still the grab and go. So yeah. If if you come here, seems to be trying all the Holiday Inn Expresses. They're not doing the hot stuff, just a grab and go. And they do feature a outdoor pool. And yeah. If you don't want a little bit of an old school Holiday Inn Express in the experience, well, this hotel could be a place if you need to crash in York, Pennsylvania for a couple nights. If you don't mind it being a little older, definitely a little facelift, but not too bad. You know, you got little scuffs there, but nothing too bad. Got this old microwave right here. You guys see the fake wood grain. Smells like popcorn, but yeah, looks to be clean. Yeah, just clean, just worn. So I'll take clean and worn any day. And here, you got our mini fridge with a little separate freezer compartment. However you open this thing. Ew, that is not from me. I don't know where that came from. That's my first time opening this. Okay. I got some stuff in there. So the freezer, apparently not that clean. Alright. So, yeah, if you ever take another panel, give you another look at the bathroom here. But if you don't mind old school Holiday Inn Express and a little bit dated, and you need a crash in York, you're not looking, this room's not too bad compared to what I've been seeing lately. And it's just a basic hotel that should cover your everyday needs. And yeah, that being said, KW out. And please like, share, and subscribe. KW out.